Last week, I walked into a pharmacy. I knew what I wanted to say. One sentence, simple. And the pharmacist said, "How can I help you?" And I froze. 5 seconds of complete silence. 5 seconds for 6 words I already knew.
And that is not a vocabulary problem. That is not a grammar problem. That is a speed problem. And today we are fixing it with 8 techniques you can start using the moment this episode ends.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Eyna. I am Eyna.
And I am Zack. Subscribe right now for 3 new English lessons every week. Comment below. Have you ever frozen mid-sentence? Tell us. Let us go.
Technique 1. Start short. The number one reason people freeze is they try to build a perfect sentence before speaking. Stop. Start with 3 words. I want coffee. She is late. We need help. Short, clear, fast. Once the first short sentence comes out, the rest follows naturally. Always.
Native speakers use short sentences constantly. Someone asks, "Are you okay?" They say, "Yeah, good, thanks." Not, "Yes, I am doing quite well, thank you very much." Start short. Always.
Technique 2. Use chunks, not word by word. Chunks are ready-made phrases you grab and use as one piece. To be honest, the thing is, I was wondering if, could you help me? I am not sure, but grab one piece, speak immediately. No building needed.
The moment you stop thinking word by word and start grabbing chunks, your speaking speed doubles. Pick one chunk today. Use it in your next English conversation.
Technique 3. Use patterns, templates you fill in, same structure and different words, infinite sentences. I plus verb plus because plus reason. I like this podcast because it is natural. I am tired because I worked all day. I think that plus opinion. I think that this is a great idea. I find it plus adjective. I find it very interesting. Learn 5 patterns. Speak for hours.
Write one sentence in the comments right now using any of these patterns. One sentence. Real English.
Technique 4. Describe your world. Right now, wherever you are, look around and describe what you see in English. The window is open. There is a cup on the table. Someone is walking outside. Simple sentences. Direct. No translation. Do this all day. Your whole world becomes an English classroom. No textbook needed.
Technique 5. Use starter phrases. The hardest moment in any conversation is the very first word. These phrases solve that instantly. I think that opens any opinion. Can you help me? Opens any request. To be honest, when you want to be direct. How do I put this? When you need a second to think. These phrases start your sentence and buy you thinking time. Nobody notices the pause. It sounds thoughtful, not struggling.
Technique 6. Q&A training. Every day, ask yourself questions in English and answer immediately. What am I going to do today? I am going to work, have lunch, come home, and rest. How do I feel right now? I feel a little tired but motivated. No preparing, no translating, just answer. Every day your response time gets faster.
Answer this right now. No thinking. What is your favorite time of day?
Morning, quiet, coffee. Everything feels possible.
5 words. Instant. Natural. That is Q&A training working.
Technique 7. Speak without translating. When you're hungry, do not think in your language first. Just think, I am hungry. Directly, I am tired. I want to sit down. This is delicious. Direct English thoughts. No translation step. Start with feelings. Start with needs. Start small. Every day, one more direct English thought. And slowly your brain rewires. Stops translating. Starts thinking in English automatically.
Technique 8. Storytelling. My personal favorite, because stories flow. One sentence pulls the next one naturally. You never run out of what to say.
Try this right now. Yesterday I woke up late. I had no time for breakfast. I ran to the bus stop. The bus was already gone. 4 sentences, 1 story, past simple, flowing, no preparation needed.
And you already have hundreds of stories. Your day, your week. Something that happened. Start with yesterday. and let the sentences follow.
Write your 3-sentence story in the comments. Any story. Your morning. Something that happened this week. We read every single one.
Now, Eyna, the pharmacy. You went back?
I went back 2 days later. Different person at the counter. She said, "How can I help you?" And I said, "Do you have this medicine?" Immediately. 6 words. No pause, no 5 seconds, just out.
That is the whole lesson. Not perfect, not impressive, fast, clear, confident.
8 techniques. Start short. Use chunks. Use patterns. Describe your world. Use starter phrases. Q&A training. Speak without translating. Tell stories. All simple. All starting today.
If today helped, like this episode, share it with one friend who freezes in English and subscribe to Talk Eyna for 3 new lessons every week.
This is Talk Eyna. See you next time.